Tito Jed. Ulit, hello there, my name is Tito Jed. Thank you po sa 651 subscribers sa YouTube. And tonight we're going to play Mobile Legends Bang Bang para po sa ating 651 subscribers. Nag-alap shoutout po sa game selections. Thank you po kasi binabalik buhay ninyo ang retro gaming. Okay. Wait lang guys ha. 651. Akala nyo yun, after 2 years, nagkaroon na po tayo ng 651 subscribers sa aking YouTube channel, ang Tito Jed Gaming. Go to 1K na po ang ating YouTube channel. Sana maabot natin. Tsak, maaabot din natin ng 1,000 subscribers. Ang totoo, hindi ko akalaing magkakaroon ako ng 600 subscribers. 51 subscribers. Kasi ang simula ng aking YouTube ay pinakamabagal. Ito po ang aking account. Guwapo na, malakas pa. Okay guys, ito na ang simula ng guwapo na, malakas pa. Ewan ko ba, bakit ko nilagay ang guwapo na, malakas pa. Malakas nga ba si Tito Jed? Malalaman natin yan. Maya-maya lang. Siguro gumamit tayo ng Layla. Ready? Go! Favorite ko na ako sa Layla since 2017. Tito Jed! Is back for more Mobile Legends Bang Bang. Thank you po sa 651 subscribers. Para sa inyo po ang panalong ito. Okay, may tinignan lang ang Tito Jed ninyo. Sino mga kalaban natin? Layla, Yuzo, Lancelot, Lilia at Layla. Sa ating grupo ay Layla, Minotaur, Valier, Zilong at Dairot. Siyempre skinless pa rin ang ating Layla. Alam nyo bakit? Bagong account eh. Wala pa akong skin kasi meron na akong skin. Okay, let's start the game with a bang 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 bang. Bang 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 bang. Triple bang bang bang.
Mobile Legends. 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
Nakakasawa rin kasi ang mga to. Alam niyo, ang mag-legend. Mas natatalo ka lagi.
Only aims at the bad guys.
Ganito mang-asa si Tito Jed. Ganito mang-asa ang Tito Jed ninyo. Mangbabaril tayo ng pusot.
My shot always finds the target.
Kita nyo yan? Double damage ng Layla natin sa Layla ng kalaban. Pero siyempre hindi tayo magpapahuli ng buhay sa ating mga kalaban. Tignan ninyo, ito nang matalo. Sana mag-gets ninyo kung bakit ako gumagawa ng account. Alright.
slain.
First assist ng ating Layla.
You can always find has been slain. Becoming a hero.
Pero actually, hindi tayo magpapatalo sa larong ito.
Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for all.
Dahil ang kalaban ang uuwing luhaan sa larong ito. Layo-layo muna tayo pag may time.
He's gonna save
Kasi
someone.
tatlo yan. Hindi natin kakayanin yung mga yan. Alright! Our first kill, Atlas pa. Tito Jake nyo, nakapatay ng dalawa. 2-0 ang ating score.
When pointing at the bad guys.
Ganyan kalupit ang anyong Tito. Tito Jet ang inyong lingkod.
Ever thought about getting
Mamaya
some
pa
training at Eruditio?
Pampatagal yan.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Killing spree. Double kill.
Boom!
I'm stronger.
Tito Jet nyo, nakapatay ng tatlo.
The enemy has slain the turret.
Okay lang yan. Lamang tayo ng pito.
Until you're as brilliant as me. Unstoppable.
Kahit na mag-level 5 yung line, 4 na yung Layla na yan, nila, hindi ibig sabihin ipapatay nila ang pinakamagaling na Layla sa buong mundo. Takbo, Layla! Takbo!
I'll bring you to justice.
Ano, tago pa more.
Bullseye time.
Ho ho ho! Ang mga Layla user hindi marunong sumuko.
Is this made in Eruditio? Bullseye. We can do it. Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
4-0 na tayo guys.
Double kill. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the back, triple kill. An ally has been slain. Target locked.
Oy, may gumaganti. Pero ang tanong, pagagantihin ba natin ang Layla nila? Of course not.
Through science, Eruditio aims to create a better future for all. Open.
Tagang!
We can do it.
5-15 na po ang ating score guys. 5-15. Oh yeah.
Enemy has been slain. Shut down. Double kill. Eruditio's true power.
Siguro napapa-oh my god na tong kalaban na to.
Once little girl is gonna
Ah,
save
sino ba naman
someone.
hindi?
My mom sacrificed her life for this. Slain the turret. I won't let anything happen to it.
Oh, di ba? Umaatras.
Keep it up until you're as brilliant as me. An enemy has been slain. Open legendary.
Sorry.
I'm still warming up.
Sayang di pa rin umiyak yung Layla ng kalaban.
An enemy has been slain. Ever thought about getting some training at Eruditio? Team destroyed a turret. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Ayun naman na natin yan.
kill.
9 kill. Not a bad kill.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guy, an enemy has been slain. I'll bring you to justice. Legendary. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Tsaka oh my god na Layla kasi wala siyang magawa.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain. Time to shine. Shut down.
Patay tayo.
Father,
That's okay.
back home.
Si Franco X at 531 ay meron ng 7 death. Hindi siya makapatay. Babaugin natin yan.
Firepower this time.
Magiging
An enemy has been slain.
baog ka.
Killing spree. The gun represents justice. Slain an enemy winning.
8 death.
Is this made
Your
in
record.
Eruditio? That once little girl is gonna save her that's been destroyed.
Pahingan muna natin yan.
The gun represents ally has winning at that. Enemy
Putik,
double
napatay
kill.
ako.
An ally has been slain. Enemy rampage. Our turret is under attack.
Nako, bot Dairot. Anong ginagawa mo?
Our turret has been
Jump,
destroyed.
Alam niyo na kung ano yung jump.
That was a spur of the moment decision. Launch attack.
Na yan, no?
Father,
Take it out to itself.
come. Your team destroyed a turret.
Panalo na.
Inhibitor turret is under attack. Shut down.
That's good, very good. Very good, doggies.
Firepower this time.
Nga ba, nagkaroon ng assist ang Layla nila. Good boy. Hanggang assist ka lang.
You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
10 deaths.
Still warming up. You can always find your own.
Naka 10 deaths na tayo. Naka Layla nila. Lahat ng kill natin, kill ng Layla galing sa atin.
Enemy double kill.
Nako, Valir.
Our turret is under attack. Launch attack.
Lalakas ng loob mag-ML. Puro
Launch
tago
attack
ang
has
alam.
been destroyed.
09.
An enemy has been slain. That was a spur of the moment decision. That one little girl. Killing spree. Double kill. Triple kill.
Loko.
Executed. My mom sacrificed her life for this city. I won't let anything happen to it. You destroyed a turret. Keep it up until you're as brilliant as me. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Bullseye! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. To shine! Ally has been slain. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. We can do. You have slain an enemy. Double kill. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. True power. An ally has slain. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Request backup. The gun represents justice. Pointing at bad guys. An enemy has destroyed the turret. Mega kill. I'm still warming up. Ally has been slain. Firepower in hand. Bullseye. Launch attack. Ever thought about getting some training at Unstoppable. True power. Your team destroyed the turret. Double kill. Let the shining star show you the way. Godlike. Open fire! Ally has been slain. Monster kill. Keep it up until you're as brilliant as me. Ally has been slain.
Alright. Number 16. Panalo na naman.
Victory!
Ako nga eh. Ako ang MVP of course. Okay, that's the end of my video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for daily video. Thank you.